One of the most important thing in crypto is DYOR, which simply means do your own research. Is this something you are really interested in? Make sure you watch the video to the end so that you can decide for yourself which crypto is good to buy and which crypto you should probably stay away from. So let me make this disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just for entertainment and educational purposes. I see a lot of crypto traders make the same mistake. Like they just go on YouTube, see any information, go on Twitter, they see any information, then boom, they're taking the risk already, putting their money, making sure that thinking that okay, hopefully they'll get a return and then stuff. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to like do a research, check for the basics. So that way you kind of like it's not as if you're 100% sure, but at least you're getting this prediction and you know that okay, this is what you're getting into. One thing I tell people is this that for you to know that you've done your research carefully, you should be able to teach someone what the project you are investing in, what is that about. That's just like a metric I use in measuring that okay, you will have done my research to some extent. It's not as if you have to know everything about the business, but at least the basics that okay, this is one thing I know. What's the market capitalization? What should we be expecting? So what I'm showing you in this video is how I do my basic research before diving deep into any project or crypto. That way I'm checking if this particular project is worth my time or my money. So when I do my own research, the first thing I check is the project's goal. Okay, which problem is this project, is this crypto coming to solve? What makes it unique? The community, the interaction, the teams behind it. These are stuff that I look for when I'm doing my own research. So I'm looking at the team. What have they done in the past? What is their achievement, their past record, and then so these are stuff that I use in checking to make sure that okay, this is not a scam coin. And so I use the rest of I use Coin Market Cap or CoinGecko. So let me pick a particular crypto just to start as an example. Let me go with this Stargate Finance. So yes, so it's showing me the details. The here we have the official link. I'm going to check that out to check. Then I'm checking the explorers, the haters scan, the community. The community means the interaction. Like how do people feel about this particular coin? How are people interacting with it? How are people trading and stuff? So I'm going with the Medium and their Twitter community. Another thing I want to check is the market. Like this particular crypto is available on which exchanges can I find this particular crypto asset? So I'll scroll down and then I'll click on the market. So after clicking on market, I can see that it's available on them some few centralized and decentralized exchanges. Centralized exchanges like KuCoin, yes, FTX is available on Gate.io, is available on Bybit. So one thing about this is that I always feel comfortable when this particular crypto is listed more on the centralized exchanges. Why? Because these centralized exchanges require KYC. Decentralized exchanges doesn't require any specific doesn't require anything special for listing. I can just create many crypto, then go online, then list it. So for us to be sure that okay, this is not a scam coin, I'm actually checking that okay, this particular asset is available on multiple exchanges like KuCoin, Binance, and Coinbase, and yeah, for the fact that it's available on KuCoin, it's available on FTX, well, and then the many exchanges are just mostly decentralized. So yeah, that's like a good flag somehow. Like of course, like I said earlier, this is not a financial advice. Everything I say is just with an educational purpose. Checking on Interscan, I can check number of holders. It has around 4,900 holders. So I'll just go down to check the wallet addresses, and then that way I'll know distribution and economics of the crypto. Well, looking at the wallet address, I can see that well, it's somehow yes, it's legit. It's different wallet addresses, and then everything looks transparent and very okay to me. But other than that, like I said, that doesn't mean I'm investing in this. I'm just using this as an example. So another thing I want to check is the white paper. White paper here. I can check through their Telegram group, their Discord. But let me just go to the white paper. I want to make this video as short as possible. I'm just teaching the basics and then that's all. So this is their official white paper. So what does white paper do? White paper actually shows you these are what you want to achieve. These are what we expect to achieve in this particular time of period and stuff like that. So what I'm looking for in white paper is I'm looking for okay, the things they promised us, have they achieved anything so far? And what should we be expecting from this particular project? So that's what I'm looking for in the white paper. Then I'm checking the roadmap and then the tokenomics. Okay, are they burning any crypto? When are they burning? Is there any charity event? Is there any upcoming big project that will probably influence the price of the crypto and stuff like that? So after clicking on the white paper, usually to show the CEO and the creator, the team behind the token and everything. So I can see their names, Ryan. So it's on to me to go and make my research later about these teams. Who are these individuals? Are they newbies? Did they have idea about blockchain? Did they know what they are doing? It's not as if they'll just pack the money and then go somewhere hiding. So these are what I do when I'm doing my own research. So I can't be going through the whole white paper here. You can read on your own for any crypto. Basically, every project, every crypto has its own white paper that shows what the team is up to and stuff. So I'll go to their Twitter community. Okay, they have 35,000 followers from June 2021. Not bad. What are they posting about? Then I'll go through everything just to make sure that okay, this is just basic research. This is not in depth. This is what I do to make sure that okay, this crypto is worth my time, and then I'll carry out in depth analysis later on. Their Twitter community looks okay. Their tokenomics look okay too. So, like I said, I checked the tokenomics to be sure that okay, majority of the crypto is not in the developer's wallet. So because why am I being careful of that? I'm being careful so that it's not so the price will just sold and the developers will sell it off. When they sell it does is that it hinders the increase in price of a particular crypto. So that's just a pump and dump. If the crypto should be much in the developer's wallet, that's a red flag to me because it just signifies that this could probably be a mere pump and dump. That in the sense that once the price just spike, these guys will dump it. Once they dump it, they don't care about the price anymore. They run away with our funds. So I don't want to invest in crypto like that. So one thing I'm very careful of is that okay, this is it even distributed? The wallet addresses, the contract, everything is it legit and everything. So yeah. So after doing all this basic research, then I'll go through in-depth research. My own in-depth research starts from the white paper. I'll read it through. Okay, have they promised us something? This is the roadmap. They will start from the starting, from the onset. Have they fulfilled anything yet? If they haven't, okay, what is the next big project? And then what should we be expecting in the nearest future? What could make this price, spike a little bit? If there's any technical difficulty I don't understand, I'll go on YouTube, check for interviews, developers interviews, check for explanation with terms that I don't understand, and then make sure that okay, this is something that is good. Then I'll make my decision. Am I investing in this crypto just for a short period of time, or I'm investing for a long period of time? So it just depends on what I see in the project, what my research shows me, and then everything. So the truth is, doing your research might be a little bit difficult. Of course, obviously, it's easier to just look for one guru or someone that calls himself a guru on YouTube and just hit to the advice. But the truth is, this is like you're insuring someone with your capital, and it's very, very, very risky. So one thing is, I encourage is do your own research. And what if it's stressful? Yeah, definitely it's stressful, but I believe it could be profiting considering the fact that if you do your research well, you could get a 10x, a 100x at once that will just skyrocket your investment. Some investors prefer just for short term, like maybe spike in increase in price, they just sell it off. Whereas some people believe in and they prefer long term investment. They will hold it for coming months, years. So that way it accrues a lot of profit. So it just depends on everybody's style and what's everybody prefer. So that's it for this video. I hope you get one or two values from the video. If you have any questions, could drop in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video. Peace out.